This is Kevin King with Pinehurst Websites, and I'm going to show you how to make a navigation menu. These are navigation menus, and we're going to do that in under 60 seconds. So you want to go to your admin of your Shopify, and we're going to add an About Us navigation menu because I just created a page for that. So we'll go to Online Store, and we're going to go to Navigation, and then we're going to go to the main menu, and we're going to add a new menu. And in the upper right hand corner, we'll add About Us. And we're simply going to connect this to a page. And we can connect it to a page, a product, or any of the options that you saw there. The page we created was About Us. And we're simply going to click Add. And we're done. We're going to save that menu. We're going to preview it on the website. And you see our menu. There's our page. That's all there is to it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.